What is going on, guys? It's your boy Darius, back at it again with another video. Now, before we get into today's video, I'm gonna go over a little bit of backstory and setup for Saturday. Of course, this is like a few days later. But anyways, was running a buddy of mine's Chevy Cobalt SS. You'll see. Riding my buddy's Chevy Cobalt SS, and then, well, we ended up having some fun. So I just want to give y'all a short little intro and backstory as to what is going on. So I'm gonna catch y'all next time. Peace. Find out. Yeah, I'll ask him in a second. Yeah, he said he'll do it from the roll.
And it outruns a 4-cylinder, yeah.
I mean, put it this way, he's not going to get any reputation.
It's L's for both of y'all. Because when he had it, when Jordan had it jump time, man, that's thing. Yeah. I just sold him that car like 4 hours ago.
Oh yeah.
With the throttle response.
I don't believe in destiny, I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me, you ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes, call me aggressive with my flow.